Welcome back to my tiny kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make this luscious caramel drip cake, garnished with homemade caramel popcorn and honeycomb, a perfect treat for any caramel fan. These are the ingredients for the cake. The recipe is in the description. Into a large mixing bowl, add soft butter and mix until smooth. Then mix in the sugar, followed by the eggs and vanilla extract. Mix these together until you no longer have any large lumps of butter. You may need to scrape down the bowl and mix again. Once mixed, add in the self-raising flour followed by the baking powder. To avoid a large cloud of flour, first fold in the flour and then use a hand mixer to mix until the cake batter is lump-free. Divide the cake batter between two 20 cm prepared baking tins. Spread and then bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes, or until an inserted knife or skewer comes out clean. Avoid opening the oven earlier as the cake may collapse. These are the ingredients for the cream cheese icing. Remember the recipes in the description. Add the soft butter into a large mixing bowl and mix until smooth. Then mix in the full-fat room temperature cream cheese. Add the icing sugar in stages, mixing well with each addition. The cream cheese icing is ready when it is smooth, light and fluffy. Avoid adding icing sugar beyond this point as it may get too soft. These are the ingredients you would need for the caramel drip. Caramelize the sugar over medium heat. Add in the cream and mix until smooth. Mix in the butter and leave to cool before using. For the honeycomb, caramelize golden syrup with sugar in a deep saucepan. Aim for a light amber color caramel. I may have taken it a stage too far. Add in the bicarbonate of soda and quickly whisk. Scrape out this fluffy mix onto a lined baking tray. The honeycomb and tray will be very hot. Leave to cool down before breaking into pieces. For the caramel popcorn, caramelize butter and sugar in a non-stick frying pan. Pour the caramel over the popped corn that is in a heat-proof bowl and mix together. Spread onto a lined baking tray and leave to cool. Cut the cool-down cakes in half horizontally. Add a small amount of icing onto the plate to reduce the cake from moving when covering. Brush on some stock syrup. The recipe and method for the stock syrup is in the description. Spread a spoon of canned caramel onto the cake, leaving a 1 to 2 cm uncovered border. Then spread a thin layer of cream cheese icing and repeat the process. Reserve about a cup of the cream cheese icing for piping later on. Then cover the cake with the balance of the icing. Create a drip effect by using the cool down caramel sauce. Pipe on rosettes using the reserved cream cheese icing. And then decorate the cake with broken pieces of the honeycomb and caramel popcorn. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out these other playlists for more baking ideas.